guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How you all are doing? Do let me know. I love doing chit chat with you guys through comment section. By the way, Durga Puja is here and I'm super duper excited. Obviously I'm a Bengali girl and we stay excited for the whole year for this particular month. Yes, Durga Puja is here and I'm very happy. Anyways, I'm gonna share 3 tips with you guys that you can definitely follow so that your Durga Puja is even more better. So yeah, without any further ado, let's quickly hop into the video and yeah, let's get started. The first thing that we love doing is shopping. During Durga Puja, we buy a lot of clothes, and like from childhood days only, I used to wait for Durga Puja to buy outfits. I used to go with my mother, grandmother, and that was an amazing feeling. But coming to the present part, I love to go for shopping, and I also like to explore the local markets like Bada Bazaar Market, then Esplanade Market. Then I also like to search a lot of things online. Then I love going offline also. So there is no particular thing that I follow for my shopping, but one thing every year I have to do, that is I have to go to Dharmotala market. It's a very big market in Kolkata and you get so many things. Like recently, if you follow me on my vlog channel, you would see that I went to Dharmotala and I got such amazing salwar set, and it was only for rupees 700 to 800, so it was amazing. So in case if you want to go ahead and buy new things, you can definitely explore the offline market like Dharmotala market or Bada Bazaar market. If you are like an online person, then you have so many options. The second thing that I want to share with you guys is that we love having sweets, and a new thing that I have developed recently is like previously I used to love having rasgullas, and now I love having rasgullas, but hot rasgullas. So a small trick that I want to share with you guys, in case if you have your relatives coming over or your friends coming over this Durga Puja, is to take all the rasgullas in a microwave bowl and to make it little bit warm. I love the taste of it when it is warm and it just melts in your mouth. I love that. So in case if you haven't tried it out yet, definitely try it. If you're a Bengali, you're a non-Bengali, if you're from Kolkata, if you're from anywhere in India, definitely go ahead and try it, and do let me know how you like the taste of it. Another thing that is very important to us is to click a lot of selfies with our family and friends whenever we are going for pandal hopping or wherever we are going. But in every picture we have to look really radiant and bright, so it is very important that you take care of your skin. And here is the point where I use my secret weapon, and this is the part where I use my secret weapon. I had been using this product for the last 3-4 months and the effect is amazing. So let me tell you what it is. It is the L'Oreal Paris Glycolic Bright Serum. It is an incredible skincare serum to add in your daily routine that helps in minimizing dark spot and reveal brighter, smoother skin. I have seen others achieving great result with it, so I thought, why shouldn't I give it a go? Let's talk about what is glycolic acid. It is an alpha hydroxy acid, the smallest and the lightest AHA molecule in the family, so it works better than vitamin C or niacinamide. Actually, the important part about this is that it deeply penetrates in the skin, eliminating melanin buildup, resulting in a reduction of dark spot and pigmentation. Let me show you guys how I use this particular serum. On a cleansed face, I apply 3 to 4 drops of this serum and see the instant glow on my skin. The serum is actually inspired by a professional brightening peeling procedure. This has 1% glycolic acid, which is very gentle and effective to add in your daily routine. I have added this in my AM and my PM routine. If you follow my daily vlog, you would see me using this on a daily basis. One thing I want to share with you guys is that every time I apply this particular serum, I see an instant glow on my face. Consistently using it will reduce your dark spot by 57%. I had few freckle marks and little bit of pigmentation, but as I have started using this particular serum, it has really changed my skin game. This small bottle is my go-to skincare product wherever I am traveling. If I am going out of the city or I am going anywhere, I always carry this and I keep on applying it whenever my skin is feeling dry, or even if I want to apply makeup, I feel like thoda sa serum leke if you apply, and then like if you apply the serum first and then you apply the makeup, it just glides on so easily. As they always say, if you have good skin, then you can definitely create a good makeup look as well. তোমাদের সাথে সবকিছু শেয়ার করে দিলাম. Like my shopping is done. I have shared a little secret what to do with rasgullas, and also I told you how to take care of your skin using the L'Oreal Paris Glycolic Serum. And now coming to the best part, don't forget to decorate your house. Spend some time with your friends, family, go out. If you love going for pandal hopping, then do let me know. Also, one more thing, if you are going for pandal hopping, please wear comfortable shoes. Abhi ইন কলকাতা। এত ভিড় সব জায়গায় আমার মনে হয় পা পুরো মানে ব্যথা হয়ে যাচ্ছে। তো যখনই যাচ্ছ মেক শিওর ইউ আর ওয়ারিং ইউর কমফর্টেবল শুজ, গোয়িং অ্যারাউন্ড সেলিব্রেটিং দুর্গা পূজা। অ্যান্ড ইফ ইউ আর মেকিং এনি ডিশ অ্যাট হোম, ডু লেট মি নো ইন দ্য কমেন্ট সেকশন বিলো। পুজো তোমাদের কেমন কাটলো সেটা আমাকে একদম লিখে জানিও কমেন্ট সেকশনে, কারণ আমার খুব জানতে ভালো লাগে যে লোকে পুজোতে কী করলো। লাইক ইফ ইট কামস টু মি, আই এম গোনা সেলিব্রেট দুর্গা পুজো in a very traditional way. I'm gonna enjoy my Ghar Ka Durga Puja, which I love. And finally, I am ready. This is my festive look for Durga Puja. As you can see, I'm wearing this lovely mustard color salwar. And I want to wish you guys happy Durga Puja. আশা করছি তোমাদের পুজো খুবই ভালো কাটবে. Whatever you do during the Durga Puja or Navratri, do let me know in the comment section below. If you have liked this video, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And I'm gonna see you guys super soon in my next video. So bye for now. Bye bye.